Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Dropbox paid subscription or downgrade to the free plan, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly manage your account billing. Step 1. Log in to your Dropbox account by visiting www.dropbox.com and entering your credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Dropbox interface to open the account menu. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account configuration options. Step 4. In the Settings page, click on the Plan tab or navigate to the Billing section to view your current subscription details. Step 5. Look for the Cancel Plan or Downgrade option. This is usually located near your current plan information, showing your storage and billing cycle. Step 6. Click on Cancel Plan or Downgrade. Dropbox will ask you to confirm your decision and may offer you alternative options or discounts to keep your subscription. Step 7. Read the information about what happens when you cancel. Your paid features will remain active until the end of your current billing period, after which you will be downgraded to the free basic plan. Step 8. If you have more files than the free plan allows, Dropbox will ask you to delete files or download them before the downgrade completes. Confirm your cancellation by clicking Cancel Subscription or Continue to Downgrade. You will receive a confirmation email about your subscription cancellation and when the downgrade will take effect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.